Now! Great!
Congratulations! Where's it going? Where's it going?
Nice video. What did it?
Alright? So, avoid to go into the mountain, but...
Don't hit any birds.
Normally the bird won't go.
Give me some sound bites right now. Fly your drone and tell me what it's feeling like or what you're doing.
It's pretty cool. It's different than Bebop 2. I'm going to gain some speed here heading towards the mountain. I'm going to take it over to the right.
Great.
And we're going to bring it over those palm trees coming right back at us. Try and get some video overhead of us on the golf course here. We're on the 3rd hole. Right over so we can wave to it. And this is the hard part because you're looking right at the sun. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Ready.
So you have to wait. Throw it this way. Great! So, what you can do, you can even land on the, you can go and this way and go straight and land in front of us if you want, because there is no wind. Okay, so don't go too low. Stay there, it's good.
Okay. Should I do return to home?
No, there, still go straight.
Okay. Turn?
Yeah, turn. And go down. And go in front of us, because you're going to no, don't go up. Now, go down, go down, go down. Go down, go down. And then press the button. Great!
I landed it!
You did it.
Alright.
Alright.
I'm controlling here. He's going to be watching through the virtual reality. And he's on a leash, so he's got to go wherever I go.
Yeah, but I don't know where you're going because I can't see it. Oh, shit.
Check out the mountain.
Wow, this is out. Oh, whoa. I don't know why I'm putting my head up. I guess I can put my head in any direction I want. It's weird. It's like I'm... Oops.
Can you see the mountains?
Yes, I can. Great shot. You're pretty close, but you're not that close.
I'm actually not that close at all to the mountain.
Right.